Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a very exciting video. I'm doing my self-tanning routine. I have gotten it down to a science. Well, it's not that complicated, so I wouldn't say that, but I'm so happy with the tanning routine that I've gotten into. Ooh, a fuzz. I do it every week or every 2 weeks depending on how the tan is holding up, and I just thought that I would share it with you guys. All of the products that I'm using today are from Loving Tan because I truly love them so much and their products are amazing. I've never tried a tanner that I've loved this much and that has worked this well for me. You guys can actually use the code juliatan, all lowercase, for a free mitt with any mousse purchase on the website. So that's exciting. I am going to go through the prep, the mousse tanning, and some aftercare also to ensure the perfect bronze glow. Before we do that, I want to address that I've been gone for a very long time, but I graduated college and the whole month of May was pretty much just like chaos with graduating and job hunting and moving states and driving like 20 hours with a trailer. So oh my gosh. So subscribe if you like what you see here and you would like to see more, and follow me on Instagram. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, the most important thing is to exfoliate and shave your skin. So I always use the Loving Tan skin polisher. I believe that it comes with your purchase. I might have to check on that, but I'm pretty sure it comes with any purchase, and it's just this amazing mitt that exfoliates your skin so nice. So if I already have a tan on, I will use that and it takes it off in the shower. You do kind of, if you already have a tan on, might have to scrub kind of hard, but it's all part of it. If you don't have a tan on, still make sure to exfoliate. It's so important to get all of the dead, dry skin off. And also shave so that you have the best access to your skin possible. And then after you do that preparation, I go in with the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in the shade Dark. This is the great shade for me. I do 2 layers. What is great about this is that all mousses contain DHA. But not all mousses contain DHA plus erythrulose. And that word that I'm not going to try and say again is what eliminates the orange tone of a lot of fake tans that is not cute. So this one makes sure that there's no orange and it is a natural olive color. Another thing that I really like about this one is the very helpful color guide. This just is the brown color that comes off on your skin so you know where you've applied it and where you still need to apply it. Also, the smell on this is so good because I have used like so many tanners that leave me smelling so gross. And they are like 8 hours too that you have to be in them, so I sleep in them and I can't sleep and I smell gross. But this being 2 hours and it doesn't smell and it dries so quick is just the actual best. I will usually put it on just in the middle of the day, and I can even go out in it because it just dries down and it's quick, so I don't have to sleep in it, which is just so easy. Before I knew of Loving Tan, I would like honestly only self-tan for like big events, but now this one's just so easy and comfortable that I tan, like I said, once a week or every 2 weeks. But now I will just add the little video of me applying it. I usually do 2 pumps on the mitt. Here's the mitt. And I just put 2 pumps on each arm. And then I will put pretty much I do 2 pumps for everything. 2 pumps for the chest, 2 pumps for the stomach, 2 pumps for the thigh, 2 pumps for the calves. You get it. So just like 2 pumps all around. It's so easy to apply and blendable, and when it comes to the back, it can be a little tricky, but you just gotta like really like do everything you can to like fill the spaces that are lighter still, because like I mentioned, they have a color guide, so that's really easy to figure out. And then once my tan is all applied, I just hang out or do whatever I have to do, run my errands, whatever, and it just dries so quick. So don't worry about, like, we'll give it like 2 or 3 minutes to dry, then you can just put clothes on and carry on like normal, and it's not going to be weird because you don't smell, you're not sticky, and it's not transferring onto anything, which is really nice. And then after 2 hours or longer, sometimes I do like just leave it on for as long as I can, but 2 hours also definitely does the job. I take a shower, and when I shower I don't use soap or anything, I just rinse it off, and you just watch the water until it starts running clear and then dry off. But when you dry off, you have to make sure to pat dry, because if you rub, then your moist, like wet skin cells will, like, they can rub off, and then that's what the tan just cling to. So you want to just pat dry. And then what's really, really, really important to maintain a great tan, and this is the #1 thing in my opinion that could like make you not have a good tan after a day or two, is stay moisturized. So as soon as I get out of the shower, that your skin is so dry, you just have to put a bunch of lotion on. Put lotion on every morning, every night. You want to keep it so moisturized because it will stay so beautifully, and that will carry your tan as long as possible if you stay moisturized. The second that you stop moisturizing, oh my god, I touched my hair so much, I just got it cut, I'm sorry. The second that you're not moisturizing, your skin is going to get dry and like flake off and create patchiness, which you don't want. What I also do to avoid the flaking off situation is I use the Loving Tan Deluxe Gradual Tan in Dark, and this stuff is actually amazing. I just started using it the last time I did a tan, and it just keeps your tan so dark and bronzed and like luscious. I don't know another word to explain it, but you just gotta put this on and it just keeps it so dark, and when it starts to fade, you keep going with this. And it's so easy, it's quick drying, not sticky, not scented, gross. So if you don't want to do the whole moussing situation, just rub this on like lotion. I just use my hands, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use the mitt, but you'll survive if you also use your hands. What's great about this guy is how moisturizing it is. So it serves as a lotion to your tan as well as a tan extender. It is tinted, so if you just need to throw it on and you didn't have time to do the whole mousse situation and you're going out, you can just throw this on your legs and or wherever, and it will tan you up right away. So this is another great thing to use to maintain the perfect tan. And the last thing I do, which I don't do every time, but if I'm going out or I'm gonna be in a bathing suit where I'm like not swimming, or else this wouldn't go the best. Like right now I have it on and I am looking amazing. That is the Loving Tan Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream, and it's in dark also, and this I love so much. I've used it so many times, it's like gone, but it just adds another layer of tint and this amazing shimmer that is not like, it's like a golden shimmer. I wish that you guys could see it. I'm not sure if that is really showing, but it is this golden like glow, and without this I would be tan, yeah, but I wouldn't be shining like a tan goddess, you know what I'm saying? And this is like amazing for pictures, and like as you can see, it's picking up in the camera, so if you're like trying to get that good selfie, you know the deal. And this guy, out of all of the 3 products that I mentioned, is the only one that just is a wash away one. It doesn't transfer still, so don't worry about that too much, but at the end of the night when you take your shower, this will come off. And that is it for my tanning routine. I swear by these products. I've never found products that I like as much as I love these. The trio just goes so well together and guarantees like the most amazing tan. I have already been using this every single week or 2 weeks, but I will be continuing to use it forever. I really hope that you enjoyed my video and that you found it helpful, because I enjoyed filming it and I was really excited to share these products with you guys. Let me know if you guys try them and fall in love with them too. Down below in my description box will be a link to the Loving Tan website so you guys can get your own summer glow going. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.